Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Biology Past Question 20. An example of a radially symmetrical organism is A. Planarian, B. Hydra, C. Tapeworm, and D. Roundworm. Now, in terms of body symmetry, we have what we call bilaterally symmetrical. Then we have what we call radially symmetrical. Now, some organisms are bilaterally symmetrical, that is, they can be divided into two equal halves from two planes. That's why it's called bilateral. While some organisms can be divided into two equal halves from any plane, we call them radially symmetrical. Now, tapeworm, roundworm, and planarian are bilaterally symmetrical because they can be divided into two equal halves from only two planes. But Hydra here, which is option B, Hydra is radially symmetrical. This is because according to its body symmetry, it can be divided into two equal halves from any plane. So the answer to this question is option B, Hydra. Thank you, and ensure subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.